Hi guys, this is Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm creating a lovely card using the Primrose Heart Facade dies from Spellbinders. I'll have links to all of the products I'm using today in the video description below for your convenience. I'm also trying to stay on track with using paper packs for most of my cards. This is the third card in a row that I've actually used the same paper pack, so I am super excited about that. This one I'm basically going to be using this light colored background panel and then a brighter, more solid-ish looking panel as a front, and then I'm going to do all of my die cutting in this gold foil cardstock. Now this is some foil cardstock that I've got from Michaels. It is kind of thin, so I'm going to be layering all of that up. I am cutting out that sentiment and these little embellishment pieces from that same gold foiled cardstock. I'm using my art glitter glue to adhere the pieces together. So I've got the gold foil, I don't even know what to call this embellishment, but it is very, very pretty. So I've got that gold one, and then I'm going to put it on a white backing. It basically is going to show some white through all of the holes, and it'll give it a little more thickness. I'm adding, I think it was 2 or 3 layers to the back of each of my little sentiments here. So I'm cutting all of those out of some heavyweight cardstock and then adding the sentiment on the top. The sentiment is really pretty. It's real scripty and it's just lovely. I think it is just so nice. But it is really thin, and when I'm using this gold foil paper, it doesn't really give any kind of dimension. And I wanted some dimension on here, so I am going to add a few different layers to each of those words. Next, I'm going to pull out some additional pieces. So I decided I'm going to go ahead and get everything mounted onto an orange card base. Now, the reason I picked out orange for this one, besides the fact that I have too many of these that I never use, is that I had about 2 or 3 weeks ago, I had made some little flowers using the Primrose dies from this die set to use on a different Spellbinders video. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that one here. These flowers are just lovely. I cut out the primrose from some white cardstock and from some vellum panels that I had used alcohol ink on a while back, and finally got to use this stuff. You know what I mean? And now I'm just layering everything up on the front of the card panel, and I just absolutely love the way that this turned out. As usual, I had to add a little bit of bling. This time, because of all that gold, I pulled out these baubles that I've got from I believe it was from Hobby Lobby. These are just some little gold pearls, and I just think that they are the perfect finishing touch for this card. Thank you guys for dropping in and watching this with me. If you like those little primroses, check out this other video where you can see how I cut out and assembled those, and you are going to love that. And as always, remember that if I can make it, you can too.